PDD-NOS, it's pervasive developmental disorder, not otherwise specified, when he was roughly 3 years old. And I didn't know David had autism. It was actually my friend, Small Laude, who told me, Karen, I think you need to have David checked. I said, why? Because, Karen, every time we're out, David is screaming, he's crying, he's not talking. And I remember I said, nako, spoiled lang yan kasi nag-iisang apo. And he doesn't really speak because his father is quiet. And Small told me, no. Karen, when kids aren't speaking or communicating, nagwawala sila. They're not able to express themselves. Being a first-time mother, I didn't know what it was like to mother. I had no basis of comparison. So I was a full-time working mother. So I went to a doctor.